traders, welcome to a new day, a brand new trading week. It's a Monday of November 11th, and currently it's 5. So let's dive into this to see how the market is going to make. We're going to make some technical analysis and see where the market is going to head. Okay, I think let me use this. As you see, currently it's at 5. It's 5:40 something. And the market rallied up. It's rallying up. Starting from the open of the market, which was at 2 there. When the market opened up, it has been rallying up. It's now up. It's up almost 500 pips. It's up 500 pips. So let's see how this week may play out. And I think I was making some analysis someday, and I told you it will go up, but after some confirmations, and the market is up currently. So let's go. Let me first remove all these. Let's go to first weekly and see what weekly did. So the previous week was bullish, though it wasn't as such bullish. We have been rejecting this level here. This level, you see, the other week came, it rejected this level. Then this week came, it traded above this level also. It traded above. This is a new week. This week also came, it showed bullish momentum. So if we go to 1H time frame and you see that there's any change of character, we shall be anticipating for market to come and sweep these highs here, to first come onto this support, which is a fresh level here, this support here. If the market comes and it surpasses there, it can come and sweep out these highs because they are relatively equal highs here. So let's go on H and see if there is any market structure shift. So market rejected here from this zone here, which was October 28th, and we see that market came and broke structure from here. So this was showing us that we are bullish, we have turned bullish. Or you can take this, but let's take this. So after here, this was all a retracement. Then market came, it made another break of market structure, boss. Market came, rallied. It didn't take out this high, this low here. This low was protected. Market just came out onto this our level here. It swept, as you see. It was a very good buy. Let me see, when was this? On Wednesday. It was a very, very, very good buy from here. It was a very good buy around here. Even we got buys from here. We moved out from here onto this level here. Then market went down, then it moved up. So let's go back and see our trend. So this was protected. So this is another protected low here. Market came, it also sweeping. Not sweeping. It has also made another break of market structure. So we are anticipating for. So this is where we are currently. We are currently on this level here, you can see very well, and we shall see, we may see a pullback maybe to this level here excuse me, to this level here, or we may see a pullback to this level, any of those levels. Market will pull back here, then it can continue rallying up to when we reach this level here. You see this level, up to when we reach this level here, this our level here, because that's the only, to this one, that level there. Yeah, we shall be buying. So any sale you see, any sale is going to be a counter trade, trading against the market, and that counter trade has to be not more than 200, 160 pips there, 120, 160, 150, 200 at most, 200 pips. It's going to be our maximum counter trade. Now that one we shall be trading retracements only, because the overall momentum it's bullish. You see, it was on Friday I sold from here. I knew it was just a counter trade. I just didn't want to wait along for, because we sold from there. Was it from here? Let me see. I think it was from here, from this candle here up to just here. We made our 160 pips, then we moved out, because I knew it was just a counter trade, and I wasn't really going to be on charts to wait for this buy, because this buy would take long. You see, even it took 2 hours here, and I was kind of busy that day. But if you would wait, you'd just get this move from here on this our support here, from this level here. You'd get your nice buy after a rejection, and after a series of confirmations. Someone would have bought from here, and you could decide to hold. But on Friday market is always volatile. You see, it came, it stepped these highs here, then it came and moved out. So it requires a lot of psychology, unless when you just target, that's why you have to trade with the target. You trade, and you say I'm going to move out. If you say I'm going to move out at this liquidity here, these equal highs, you see these relative equal highs, boom, you just take profit from here, and you're out of the market. Because after market sweeping out these relatively equal highs, it came and retraced down. Then it was in consolidation for, I think, from 8 up to here. Then today market just opened up at 2. Then market has moved up. Yeah, so let us see, because me, I trade on higher time frames, because higher time frames, they have a lot of bias. Yeah? They give a lot of there's less noise compared to lower time frames, where you'll suffer a lot of noise and sort of that. So today what we are seeing is, it's like market already moved, so we are just anticipating forward a reversal, a retracement to these zones here. And when you go to H1, if market comes up to here, we shall buy from here, from this zone here. We shall buy, and we can target the highs which have been created, or if you can hold, we just go on H4 and see which level is there. We can see this level here, nearby level. nearby supports which are fresh. We have this level, we can hold up, we can hold up to here. That's the only level there. Or for long term you can hold up to here. I think this is a significant level. Let me see. Yeah, it's a good level. This is also a good level. Also here there is a good level here. This you can hold up to here or here, but just hold up to here, yeah, to give you some good pips. So we shall wait for retracement to these zones and we shall buy. But most cases market may not come. You see, like here market is rejecting from this zone here, which was our break of structure. Let me see on H4, it's on H1. Let me see daily if this zone is valid. No, this one is valid only on H1. You see this zone here, and it has a confirmation candle, so market is rejecting here. If we do get a market structure, a confirmation to the upside, yeah, it's there. So that is kind of risky, but we can take, you could take a gut. So currently the market is here, and there was a market. Let me go to 15 and see. Yeah, the market is in our favor, though we just have to wait for a few confirmations. Market can come up to here and sweep there, and we can buy from here. But here the stop loss has to be big because there are significant levels. Yeah, we just have to wait for, especially since we are still in New York in Asian session. Yeah, I made my Asian session. After in Asian session, market can really go up, then it retraces in London. Again in New York, it pushes further up. But here we just have to wait for market to be in our zones here. This zone here, this zone, market can come, hit these zones here, then it pushes further up. You have to remove some liquidity, because when we consider this as our liquidity here, which is a fresh zone here, we have this fresh zone here, so market may come up to there. Okay guys, thank you, have a nice trading week.